Did you know cruise ship casinos can be rigged against you? Ex-crew admit the odds can be tightened whenever the ship needs more revenue. And that's just one of many secrets passengers aren't supposed to know. In this video, I'm exposing 10 shocking secrets from real ex-cruise workers. These are the things cruise lines will never put in their brochures, and most passengers never discover. Whether this is your first cruise or your 20th, these insider truths will change how you see life on board forever. Let's dive in. Secret number 1. The casino odds are rigged. Former casino staff admit slot machine odds can be adjusted remotely, often tightened after a big win or promotion. Unlike land casinos, which are heavily regulated, cruise casinos operate in international waters under looser maritime law. That means fewer protections for you. One ex-staffer confessed that payout percentages can change overnight, leaving players with no clue. So here's the fix. Treat it as entertainment, not investment. Set a budget, avoid the slots, and if you must gamble, stick to table games where the odds are at least clear. Secret number 2. Passenger profiling is real. From the moment you book, data is collected. Your purchases, your dining preferences, even how often you complain, it's all logged. Crew are trained to remember top spenders and keep notes on rude or demanding guests. This info quietly circulates between departments. A bartender may know your favorite drink before you've even ordered. On the flip side, passengers with a difficult reputation may find staff less responsive. The lesson? Be polite and fair. A small tip or kind word can unlock better treatment than you expect. Secret number 3. Much of the food isn't fresh. That lobster tail on your plate? Chances are it was frozen solid days ago. Ex-cooks admit large portions of buffet food come pre-cooked, vacuum-sealed, or powdered. With thousands of guests to feed daily, efficiency trumps freshness. Scrambled eggs may be from liquid cartons, pastries reheated, and sauces pre-made. It looks gourmet, but often isn't. What better? Head to specialty restaurants or live stations like omelet bars and stir-fry counters where food is cooked to order. Secret number 4. Theft rarely gets investigated. If your jewelry or wallet goes missing, don't expect a big investigation. Ex-security staff say unless it's serious or violent, most thefts are quietly swept aside to protect the ship's image. Passengers are often told to double-check or file an insurance claim later. One former crew admitted small-time thieves sometimes slip through because the cruise prefers discretion over drama. Protect yourself, use the cabin safe, don't leave valuables unattended, and document what you pack. Secret number 5. Excursions can be unsafe. Shore excursions look exciting in glossy brochures, but not all are vetted equally. Some vendors cut corners on safety or operate without proper insurance. If an accident happens, the cruise line may deny responsibility because the tours are run by third parties. One ex-crew member recalled a passenger badly injured on a jungle hike with little medical support. So what's smart? Stick with cruise-approved excursions for peace of mind, or research trusted independent tours before sailing.
Secret number 6. Crew living conditions are harsh. When you picture cruise workers, you probably imagine them relaxing in their own lounges after shifts. The truth is far different. Below the shiny guest decks, crew live in cramped, windowless cabins at the bottom of the ship. Many share with 2 or 3 roommates and rotate sleep schedules just to make it work. Contracts often last 6 to 9 months, with shifts up to 14 hours a day, 7 days a week. A former bartender once described coming off a 12-hour shift to a cold meal and a broken air conditioner in a cabin the size of a closet. Crew quarters aren't glamorous, they're survival spaces. And yet, these are the people who smile, clean, serve, and keep the ship running smoothly. Next time you're on board, remember their reality. A kind word, patience, or even a $5 tip can make their day. Treat them with respect. You may find yourself getting better service in return. Secret number 7. Freebies often come with pressure. That free champagne at the art auction or spa consultation that sounds helpful, they're hooks designed to get you spending. Ex-crew admit it. It's all part of a psychological playbook. Guests are made comfortable with freebies, then pitched aggressively on overpriced art, treatments, or wine packages. At one art auction, a couple thought they were just enjoying free bubbly. Hours later, they walked out with a $9,000 painting they regretted the moment they got home. The spa does the same. Complimentary consultations are used to push expensive detox wraps and anti-aging creams. Even wine tastings are loaded with pressure to buy bottles that cost 3 times more than on land. The fix is simple. Take the freebie, enjoy it, but set a boundary. Don't feel guilty about walking away without buying. You're not being rude, you're being smart. Secret number 8. Your cruise card tracks everything. That plastic card in your pocket is more powerful than you think. It doesn't just open your door or buy drinks. It tracks your movements around the ship. Every purchase you make, even when you leave or return from excursions. Ex-guest services staff say passenger data is pulled into reports every day. High spenders are flagged as VIPs. Frequent complainers are labeled as problem passengers. Late returners from port might be quietly monitored on future stops. In some cases, accounts are even frozen until outstanding charges are cleared. This can work for you or against you. One passenger who tipped generously and was polite found themselves upgraded mid-cruise. Another who constantly argued with staff suddenly couldn't make reservations until they settled their ballots. So treat your card like a digital passport. Respect it, watch your spending, and understand it shapes how the crew sees you. Secret number 9. Medical care is limited and expensive. Cruise ships have doctors, but clinics on board are basic. They're designed for minor illnesses and injuries, not emergencies. Ex-medical staff revealed that serious issues, heart attacks, broken bones, sudden illnesses, often require evacuation to land-based hospitals. And guess what? Without travel insurance, those evacuations can cost tens of thousands of dollars, sometimes more. One passenger had to be airlifted to shore after a heart attack. The helicopter alone cost over $20,000, not covered because they skipped travel insurance. Another guest broke an ankle on a shore excursion. The onboard doctor stabilized it, but the passenger still paid thousands in medical fees. So the lesson is clear. Always buy travel insurance with medical evacuation coverage. It might feel like an extra expense, but one emergency could wipe out your savings. Secret number 10. Hidden spaces and crew shortcuts exist. Ex-crew love talking about the parts of ships passengers never see. Beneath the guest areas are secret stairwells, crew lounges, and even hidden decks perfect for watching sunsets in peace. One entertainment host swore the best sail-away view wasn't the top deck, but a quiet corner near the helipad shared only with friends. Passengers rarely find these spots, but sometimes crew share them with guests they like. A bartender might whisper about a shortcut that avoids crowded hallways, or a steward may point you toward a hidden nook where you can sip coffee without the noise. Finding one of these spots can completely change your cruise. Imagine watching the sunset alone with ocean views while everyone else fights for lounge chairs upstairs. The best way to discover them? Be kind, chat with staff, and earn their trust. Sometimes the greatest perk at sea is an unofficial one. And there you have it, 10 secrets from real ex-cruise workers that reveal what life on board is really like. From rigged casinos to hidden crew spaces, these truths show you the side of cruising that's never advertised. So which secret shocked you the most? Drop it in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you're always one step ahead on your next trip. Happy cruising, and now you know the inside story.